The Yosemite Bowline is sometimes used as an alternative tie-in knot for climbing. It is a regular bowline with an extra knot to prevent it from becoming undone. We start by tying a normal bowline. First, create a loop in the rope. Make sure to pull enough rope through because there is an extra tail required to add the Yosemite finish. Put the working end through the loop. Although there are people using the Yosemite Bowline as a tie-in knot, it is not considered really safe, even with the extra finish. Continue tying the bowline by taking the working end underneath the standing part. At this point you can easily adjust the size of the main loop. Now we finalize the bowline by taking the working end back through the loop we have created in the first step. Make sure not to tighten the bowline yet, as we are now about to add the Yosemite finish. The working end needs to go around the loop as shown. For climbing, make sure you pull enough tail through. Next we take the working end, then we put it back in the main loop. So it ends parallel with the standing part. Now comes the part where most mistakes are made: tightening the Yosemite bowline. If you do this wrong, then you'll have an unstable knot. First, you need to tighten the original bowline by pulling on the standing part. Then you can finalize the Yosemite tie-off by pulling on the working end. If you do this the other way around, then the tie-off might slip over the loop that holds the bowline itself.